To A2Z AMC Training Series. In today's video, we will talk about if an appraisal order is in a state where it is accepted but with conditions. So basically, a private client has created an appraisal order, submitted it, and it was reviewed by the operational admin of the AMC. They have accepted and assigned to an appraiser. And the appraiser has agreed with condition, which means that they need either more fee is required or they want to extend the due date or both the cases. So first of all, we'll look into the first case, that is additional fee is required. So as you can see, this project is on, sorry, this appraisal order is on hold. So when we click on this appraisal order, we navigated towards the details page of this appraisal order, and you see the status update. So it was approved, a fee increase is approved. So basically, it's accepted. It was conditional accepted, and the fee has been approved. So basically, you need to provide in the fee. So you can send a payment link or you can pay now. There are two options to do so. So we have a separate video on how you can pay. You can send payment link or the pay now button. So just going to go and pay now. So it will take me to a Stripe page, and here I can provide in the details. Okay, as soon as the payment has been completed successfully, you can see the status update. It has been the fee has been paid, so it's in progress state, which means now the appraiser has to do the further step, that is they need to require to schedule an inspection. Now we will look into the second type of the case where there is extended due date. So basically, we have a new appraisal order that is in progress, and this appraisal order, if we go to the status update, so basically you can see it was a conditional acceptance, and what was that the due date was extended, and then it was approved by the ops admin, and then they can do the further things. So this is with the second case where the due date is extended. So you are getting informed about it and the due date is changed. So this is what it is informed. And when you see, so this was, and now this is the due date. And for the third case, that the due date and the fee is, both the things are required. So at that time is that it is approved. If approved, so you have to pay again as we did in the first case. If just a due date, so as you can see right now. So that's all for today's video. Thank you for watching.